is. The
Yeah.
actual thing is, when I was after I joined Bombay University, I was very popular because every year there used to be at least one or two refresher courses in Bombay, and certainly more than two or three in entire Maharashtra. So whenever I to went to teach, whenever linear algebra concepts came, they found that I was explaining everything geometrically, and it was a kind of an eye opener to all the teachers. They are all, I mean, audience were teachers. Then they asked me, some of the Bombay college teachers met me one day and asked me, sir, whenever you teach you any linear algebra concept are used, you think very geometrically. Can you please teach us? Then I taught 1 week course, 6 days. Okay, and 6 days every day, 4 hours. And actually, I teamed up with one of my colleagues, but then the way colleague did work and I do was somewhat different. And colleague was also a little amount tired, so I took over everything. So 23 lectures out of 24 I gave. Okay, how to think linear algebra geometrically. Based on that, one of the participants she was a college teacher. She wrote it up, but then it's like a classroom writing. Classroom. The notes. All have, therefore implies there are not a complete flow. The text flow won't be there. Then I said, no, 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 that's not good. Anyway, so then I started writing this. So if you notice, the book is written with college teachers in mind. It was supposed to be a kind of handbook for them, not as for a student. But fortunately or unfortunately, it has become very popular among students, and perhaps the most popular in West Bengal.
So, sir, what are the things a student should know before studying this book?
As I said earlier, again, it will be good if he has not been exposed to any other linear algebra book, because you can see, like in LUB, here also I make it as a something as a what do you call the running theme throughout the course. The theme is linear equations, because actually linear algebra came. You will be surprised. Functional analysis came first. Okay, then the linear algebra came second. In Okay. And so linear algebra is solving system of equations roughly. Then they have understood there was a structure. Functionalists started using it, and there's something like a nonlinear space, Banach space, or whatever it is, Hilbert space. Then there is a structure which they abstracted. Then they started studying vector space, linear algebra. But the underlying theme was solving linear equations. And usually, if you notice, so nowadays many textbooks will start with echelon form and this Gaussian elimination and all that, but it's some kind of, it has to be there in linear algebra. That's it. They never tie it up in the course when they start doing linear algebra, vector spaces, linear maps, kernel, image, etc. They don't say how our knowledge of a earlier linear system plays a role here. So if you notice everywhere, I will say, see that we are using linear system theory from this first chapter in my book. You will see that. There, I mean, it becomes quadratic because of introduction of inner product. So I just wanted to keep that idea very clear, like, apart from geometry, so that you can see this theme is all permeating in the course.
There is another question that what are the books students should study after studying this book?
Yeah, that's a very good question. Earlier, I didn't have a very good answer for that. Okay. Because you'll be surprised, I never had a linear algebra course in my BSc or MSc. Can you believe? Those days it
Oh,
was not there. See,
oh,
I'm talking about something which happens about, let's say, about almost half a century ago. All right, so system was very different. So linear algebra term I learned when I when I joined TAFR. Professor C.P. Ramanan asked something about vector space. This is in spite of the fact I have read something about Galois theory on my own. In that, you have to talk about extension of fields and degree of an extension, and Tower law, which uses linear algebra concepts. But it was explained then and there, so I understood. But I didn't know something, a separate subject as linear algebra existed till I learned. So I never learned any book linear algebra from any book. It was only by discussing, picking up when from the context I understood. So mine was completely what you call Swayampu. my knowledge about the thing is okay, not through any book or anything. So I did not know how to suggest a sequel to my book, but now I have concretely suggested a very good book. It's by my one of my best friends, Professor Vikas Bist. There is a book by linear algebra, okay, and it's a published by Narosa. For anybody who wants to follow it up, should follow it up with that book. But that book will be pure algebra kind of thing. But it's very well written, very good. If you have gone through my book, it will be easier for you. You can think about your own geometry, way of looking at things, etc. Yeah, that's a good
Ah,
question. I'm glad you asked me. Earlier, I mean, about 5 years ago, I didn't have any kind of an answer to that.
yes.
And second thing is, should read my article on structure theorem for linear maps, which is a sequel. Okay, and there I think you will see that Vikas also does something, but mine will be somewhat different approach. It will be better. And maybe you should ask Sukumar about his experience about linear algebra. Yes,
Yeah,
that's why he
that's
came
what
up.
I
Yes.
was asking.
Yeah.
See, I just want to. Am I audible?
Yes, very much.
Yeah. So I just want to share this experience and get a chance. I thought I will tell when you are going to ask other things, but let me put it here. It is connected to the linear algebra book. The experience of this linear algebra book with me is the following: that this book I read without looking into the book. I
How
will
can
put
you
it in
read?
that
You
way.
see that mystery?
Okay, so how it has happened? It's like every evening it's a kind of we come back from the our regular work, and we had a senior called Srinivasan. Most of you must be knowing. So he was having this book in his office. He was doing PhD at that time. So he will read few pages, and I will sit in one corner of his room on his bed, and he will read for me, and I will try to see. I will try to understand. So in that way we started, and we decided we will be reading like this only. So the almost the full book he was reading for me, and I was uh, just listening, and I was very comfortable, and I could feel some question. What about this will be my question, and that question will be the next question in the textbook. So it was like it is what was written for me. That's the kind of feeling I had. So you believe me that after going through one or two chapters, we it was tempting to see, but decided not to see. So I have not seen his book, but I have almost completely gone through the book. So I've read the book through some other person. So
Yeah.
so the linear algebra geometric approach, it was purely geometric for me. Okay, that's what he was saying, what he was trying to convey. I could see what is lines, what will happen. So it was completely it was changing for me. I would consider it's a kind of very important turning point in my life.
Thank you,
Ye-
Sukumar.